All right, I'm going to try to help. There's more questions here than answers at this point. So let me help you out with this a little bit. All right, so this question right here, this is saying this is basically telling us how much better we can see through that telescope than with our eye. So if we look at the moon, for example, we're going to see it so many times better with this, okay, with this telescope. I think I might have said microscope, but with the telescope. All right. Now, I'm going to move back down to this question right here. This is not that hard of a problem. Let's take a look at it, though. I'm going to pull it up here. So remember, this is just telling us, and here's this again. This is how I kind of worked it out. Remember, you can cancel out pi because it's on top and bottom. Then you're going to do this, and whatever you come up with here as an answer, that's how many times better that telescope's going to help you see. All right. Now down here, I'm going to go back through this again, and I changed it on the homework page. I'm going to scribble this out again. I'll change it here. Let's do this. This will make it easier for us. All right. Now, what we're talking about here, what an arc second is, how good is your eye? How well can you see? We all know that there are 360 degrees, 36 degrees, 360 degrees in a circle like this. Okay, so let's just pretend this is the moon because that last question deals with us. So we're going to say this is the moon. All right. Now, what you're doing, what an arc second is, if we take 1 degree, and I'm going to try to draw a straight line, which I probably can't. Actually, what I should do is go like this. Ink to shape. So let's see what happens here. Maybe it did it and I wasn't even paying attention. Boom. Ink to shape. Come on, baby. Now, anyway. We're just going to say this is 1 degree. Okay. What an arc second is 1 of a degree. Okay. That's what this was showing here, but it's going to work better if you just multiply it by that. So what you're looking at is an arc second, which is 1/3600th of a degree. All right. And my eye, and we'll just do this really quick. I was 1,000 millimeters away. I think I said that before, but I was 1,000 millimeters away. So what I would do is I would do 360, and we'll just assume that this right here is a 6. We'll just call 2 pi 6. That'll be easy. We'll round it to 6. And the distance in millimeters. So 1 meter is 1,000 millimeters. Okay. And then I'm going to take that 360 divided by 6 times 1,000, 6,000. Now I'm going to multiply that by 3,600. And I get, for my eye, I end up with 216 arc seconds. Okay. 216 arc seconds. That's what I can see. Now, my eyes are really bad. I'm going to assume your eyes are better than mine. I have poor vision. Some of you know the story. So I have pretty pathetic vision. So when I come down here and I look at this, there is a, can your unaided human eye resolve a crater on the moon whose angular diameter is 1 minute of arc, or 60 seconds of arc, 60 arc seconds? I cannot see that. There's no way I could see it because it's going to have to be at least 216 arc seconds for me to be able to see it. All right. So I can't see it. You probably could, but crunch those numbers together. When you answer this question right here, crunch this real quick and see what this was worth 2 points. This problem's worth 2 points. It's right there. You just have to multiply this fraction by 0.02, and that's the answer. It's really easy. So, but that's what this is. 216 arc seconds. So I have to have an object at least 216 arc seconds large to see where this is saying the crater is 60 arc seconds. Sider, with his eyes, could never see it. All right. But again, you might be able to if you have better vision than I do. All right. That's all these two questions are. Again, this is how much better does that telescope? How many times better does it make viewing? This is what my naked eye can do, how many arc seconds I can see. And then finally, this right here is simple. If you have this number right here, this is very easy problem. All right. And remember, it's asking for your eye, not someone else's. So make sure you do the calculations. That's it. I hope this answers your questions.